Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Monbretia. We are in the same chapter of history, chapter 3, Nazism's The Rise of Hitler. Before starting our regular classes, we have to study one way. I will say, you will hear. Okay? So, very cautiously. One thing I must request you all people, that is, take precaution of your eyes. You have to study now with your eyes and ear open. Open to what? Open to the light. The screen which you see is more luminous. The light can affect your eyes. So always try to wash your eyes with cold water, not fridge water. Cold water means not the water directly from fridges, but tap water, not hot water. Close means cold water should be washed. Your eyes should be washed with cold water very nicely, frequently, and give your eyes little rest after every video. Don't keep your mobile very close to your eyes. These are the precautions you have to take because this will be a long run videos which you have to watch and study. So today we will take in this chapter a new topic, why and how Nazi propaganda or ideas, Nazi technologies, Nazi way of ruling was effective in creating a hatred for Jews. How the people of Germany started hating the Jews. Why? Are the Jews people are alien or are from any other planet? Jews are also similar to the Aryans. Jews are also similar to the Aryans, whom the Nazi people, whom the Hitler thinks are desirable. And Jews, he thinks them as undesirable in the country. How? Since Hitler has a hatred, deep hatred, from the core of his heart, he hates Jews. So he launched a vicious propaganda, means many different types of propaganda against them. What are those? See, propaganda films. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. Means whatever the films have been made in these, suppose if you watch a movie, there is one hero that is villain. So in that, each and every movie in Nazi Germany, Jews were considered as villain. Villain means Jews. The most infamous film was Eternal Jew. That was the most infamous. If you watch that movie, no, you will find how Jews have been treated in that film. How in Nazi Germany, Jews were considered as a persons of hatred by each and everybody. But it was not like so. Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. They were marked that these were the Orthodox Jews, who means Orthodox Jews means they are Jews which follow their religion, their caste very deeply. They were being marked. They were shown with flowing beards, although they do not have beards, but they used to show them that they are having flowing beards, big beards, wearing kaftans, a way of wearing kaftans, big belt over there in the west to tie their pants or trousers. But it is really difficult to distinguish German Jews by their outward appearance, as they were highly assimilated community. Since each and every Jew is also born in Germany, so they cannot be distinguished totally from the people, from the Aryans who also born in Germany. So Aryans also born in Germany, Jews also born in Germany. How they can be different? How by the look? How by the look of the different peoples you can differentiate? How by the look you can differentiate the people of Germany into two different way. They have shown that Jews have long flowing beards, but it is not so. The Jews do not had, not everybody I'm telling, there might be somebody they are keeping beard, but every Jews do not keep beard, but they are also been categorized as Jews and they have also been eliminated. The Jews were usually called as, means they were referred to as rats, pastes, vermin. Their movements were compared to those of rodents. Means the Jews were considered all different inferior qualities. All negative thought people were called as Jews, but they were not so at all. But in Nazi Germany, Hitler has made them, compelled each and every people to think Jews like that, although they do not, although they do not resembles like that. So Nazism thus worked on the mind of the people. So Nazism has created a hatred for Jews in each and every people's mind. And in this way, with these different types of propaganda, through films, through speaking, through way of picturing them, through way of calling them, the way of means their way of calling or considering them is so such inferior that all other people started thinking that Jews were bad. But it was not at all like that. But Nazism or Hitler and his party members have compelled people to think Jews like that. So this is the topic that how Nazi propaganda, how and why Nazi propaganda, whatever the techniques they have used, these techniques were against the Jews. Okay, in the next topic we will go through another topic. In the next video we will go through another topic. The topic will be how did the Nazi state seek to control total over its people, full control of the people. How Nazism has seek, how Nazism has created a total control over the people of Germany. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Take care, especially your eyes. Your eyes are very precious. Wash your eyes with cold water regularly, my dear students. There is one proverb: prevention is better than cure. So prevent your eyes from spoiling by washing your eyes regularly with cold water. Thank you.